and we're going to start the caraa because all the logos are peeling off in the back. I'm pretty sure it's got a blown head gasket or engine because it squeals and knocks like crazy. So, look at that, even the R is coming off now. Oh, what a shame. I'll put that inside. This one's going to be a nightmarish start, I think. It's all the way up from Fergus, so it's a country car with high miles. I'm going to put that right. Cup holder. Okay, this ought to be fun. This one does have a blown head gasket, so this will be pretty interesting. And doesn't start in park. Ugh. 167,000 kilometers. Whoops. There we go. Doesn't sound too good, does it? Little squeak, knock. It sounds fine from the back, but the front just sounds all squeaky and everything. Somehow it perfectly idles. I don't know how. Got my sunglasses there. Gears work. Somehow it still does go into drive. This sounds really weird. The transmission is really bangy. Power steering isn't that bad either, but it's not great. Oh well, it's got tunes. Power windows, all that, so it's not too bad. Okay, that's the caraa.